How to remove people in the background. From this to this. First, open Canva, click Video, then YouTube Video. Click Elements, then search for the picture you want to edit, or you can upload your own pictures. Or you can search Girl in the Mountain and click Photos. You can choose whatever you want. As for me, I'll use the recent photos that I selected. Right-click the photo and set it as a background. Then select the photo again. At the top, click Edit, then click Magic Eraser tool. Adjust the size of your brush, then select slowly the object you want to remove. Then hit Erase. Download the file as PNG. Thank you. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll start to post Canva tutorials 3 times a week. See you in the next video.